Thanks for seeing me, Dr. Woodpecker. Although, I'm not so sure my insurance will cover this.
Well, I don't see why not. What seems to be bothering you?
I've been having a lot of depressed, crazy thoughts, Doc. I don't know what to do.
I see. Psychology isn't my field, but can you describe any physical ailment as a result?
Okay. Sometimes I lose so much sleep that I can hardly keep my eyes open when I'm driving. Not to mention just trying to get through tasks at work. I think if I have one more goof at work, my boss is gonna fire me. I don't know. Maybe I just need to do a serious life assessment or something.
In my opinion, it's likely demons. Fortunately, I can get them out of there fairly easy. I'm going to administer the procedure. Just hold still and it will take just a moment. There we are. Blissful as a summer day at the beach. They'll take care of your paperwork out at the front desk and schedule you for a checkup in a few months. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a colonoscopy to perform.